Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Joyroute-jojo. Today in this video, let us discuss a third-party tool that support to convert Exchange database to PST format. This particular tool supports us to convert large Exchange database file to PST format. There is no file size limitation in the Stellar converter for EDB. It also supports to export offline EDB files and public folders to Live Exchange Server or Office 365. The most attractive part is that it supports Exchange Server 2019 to older versions like 16, 13, 2010, 7, 2003, 2000 and 5.5. So that is the most attractive part of Stellar Converter for EDB. Let me just introduce my infrastructure before you. I have configured Exchange Server 2019 on both the servers like Azure AD Connect and Exchange Server. And I have manually created two databases in the name of new db-01 and 02. And this is the default one that got created while installing the Exchange Server 2019. And you could see I have created the DAG and added two of the servers into the DAG. When it comes to a recipient, I have very few mailboxes here in the name of admin, Joby, John, and Joseph. All right. Now you can download this third-party tool, which is Stellar Converter for EDB from their official website. Their official website is nothing but www.stellarinfo.com. So this is their official website. From their site, you can download this EDB Stellar converter for EDB. For testing purpose, you can just free download and just verify it, and you can purchase it if you are using for the production environment. Please purchase and use it. All right. I have unmounted the database new DB01 and copied to my desktop. You could see the database file here, new db-01.edb. This particular database file I'm going to convert through the tool called Stellar Converter for EDB to PST format. After converting the Exchange database file, we will attach that with Outlook and see how it works. All right. So first let us open the Stellar Converter for EDB and convert this Exchange database file to PST. Let me click on yes. Click on yes. Here we have two options. One is hosted exchange, other one is offline EDB. Hosted exchange is nothing but the mounted EDB file, which is online EDB file, and here it is unmounted exchange database file, which is offline EDB. So in this video, we are going to see offline EDB. Let me click on that. Here we have to show the path of our EDB file, our exchange database file. So as I have copied that to the desktop, I have to browse here and show the path to the desktop, and here we have our database. Let me click on open. All right, now let me click next. So all the mailboxes that is attached with that is part of that database have listed here. So you can select, if you want to convert only one mailbox, you can select that particular mailbox and right click, and you have as I told you, you have all these options to convert. Like you want to save it as a PST, you can do that, MST format, EML, HTML, RTF, or you want to save as a PDF, you can do that. And here you have an option to export to Exchange Server and export to Microsoft 365. First, let us convert this to PST file. Then we will just see export to Microsoft 365. So let me start with save as PST. Let me click on that. So I'm getting a warning like cannot continue. MS Outlook is already open. Close MS Outlook to save the mailboxes. So so I have opened my Outlook here. I have to close this. All right. Let us do it again. Right click, save as PST. So it is asking me the destination. So I will be creating a folder here in the desktop. Let me create a new folder and I name it as PST. All right. Okay. So we are going to Uh, the destination address we have given, click OK. So it is converting. Okay. Data saved successfully, click OK. Let me just minimize. I have created a folder here in the name of PST. And here you could see the Joseph mailbox in the PST format. Now let us attach the PST file to the Outlook. To attach the PST file, we click on Files, Account Settings, Data Files, Add. We have copied the file to the desktop, PST, and here we have his Joseph PST, Joseph Mailbox PST. Click OK. So that got added here. Click Close. And here, if you check, you could see his inbox, sent items, deleted items, and all that stuff. And I have created this is a test mailbox, so we do not have much mails. Whatever mails this, I have sent some test mails for this Joseph, and it is available here. So this way, you can convert an Exchange database file to a PST, and you can attach to any Outlook, and you can start using. Now let us check the second option, that Stellar Converter for EDB Office Stores, which is nothing but export to Microsoft 365. So the same mailbox I'm going to export to Microsoft 365. So let me click on that. As I have opened the Outlook, it is not allowing me to do that. So let me close that. All right, let me do it again. Export to Microsoft 365. Now what happens, this particular mailbox will be attached with guardvinvilla.com. This is the Outlook profile name. So, or I can attach to any of the other profile. So what I'm doing, what I'm plan to do, I plan to attach with guardianvilla.com. Let me click on OK. So select the mailbox saved successfully. You can save another 4 more mailboxes. Let me click on OK. So data exported successfully. Let me click on OK. And if I open the Outlook with same the profile name guardianvilla.com, click OK. Admin, yeah. All these three mails like admin, um, test email 1, test email 2, and hi, how are you? These three mail that got exported to my other account, jojo at guardianvilla.com. This is Microsoft 365 profile. So all these three mail got attached with this mailbox. So in this way, you can export to Microsoft 365. Here you could see with this Microsoft 365 Outlook profile, you have test email 1, test email 2, and test email 3. As I have done it for the multiple times, you could see the same mail 2, 3 times here. This is other feature of Stellar Converter for EDB, export to Microsoft 365. All right. Stellar has got many other products related to migration, recovery, and many other stuff. So all that we will be discussing in the coming videos. All right. Thanks for watching this video. We will meet you in the other video. Till then, goodbye.